Welcome back, guys. This is the last 2 packs of the celebrations, and this should be hitting you on the 1st of April, and then we will be hitting up Scarlet and Violet. I've seen people doing the pre-release, looks amazing, and I cannot wait. And then obviously it's a big set. I think it's about 400 cards in a set or something stupid like that, so it's going to take a lot of time to get that all done. And a Rocket Zapdos, very nice. So what I will do is, I was going to do 2 separate videos, but if we can get the time in, I'll do a pack to pack. My favourite thing, pack to pack. Let's see if we can get a banger on this last one. Lugia, Yveltal, Reshiram, Solgaleo. Okay guys, so that was the last bit of the celebrations, and we'll be hitting up Scarlet and Violet from probably tomorrow, so keep your eye out for the videos, guys. Keep all the love coming, all the comments. Again, if you want to do trades, guys, inbox me on my socials. Love you all.